My name is Snoswell. I am an engineer turned computer scientist and a research fellow in AI accountability here at the ADM+S Centre. In the last few years, we've seen really remarkable advances in the things that AI language models can do, but there's an issue with these large language models, which is that they're trained on data that is taken from the internet. And as we all know, the internet contains a lot of toxic and sort of harmful content, including sexism, misogyny, racism. An individual researcher or even a university lab, for example, can't afford to build one of these models from scratch. And so what happens is people tend to take these models that have already been trained by large technology companies and reuse them for lots and lots of applications. And the unfortunate truth is that unless they are carefully designed and used, they tend to actually amplify the disparities that minority groups experience whenever they interact with automated systems. In my research, I'm looking at the specific societal harm of misogyny, which is hate directed towards women. So women make up roughly 50% of the population, but compared to men, they experience a disproportionately toxic environment when they interact online, for example, or with automated decision-making systems. I'm trying to understand why and when large language models will generate toxic content and then come up with new computational ways to actually counteract that and prevent this from happening. And so by working closely with feminist scholars and women that have lived experiences of this type of harm, I'm hoping that I can actually change the way these language models behave in terms of generating misogynistic content. I'm aiming to develop methods that are actually accessible to individual researchers and can be used by individual practitioners that will hopefully then enable better oversight and governance of these types of language technologies. The ADM+S Centre is unique in the eclectic mix of disciplines that it actually brings together. And so by working closely with such a diverse range of scholars from different backgrounds, that actually gives my project the best chance of succeeding and having a meaningful impact.